Uh, uh.
Okay, Miss, you can start now.
Yes.
Thank you very much. Good luck.
Thank you.
Good luck.
Thank you. Okay, so everyone, let's start with tonight's class. So my name is Aminath Fazna. Okay, I will be taking this module for you, and I've been teaching. I've been in the teaching field for about 20 years, and right now I'm not working in any school, but I'm working as a part-time lecturer at some colleges, okay? Not only here, but other colleges as well. So why don't we just get introduced each other? You can just tell your name, where you're from. If you're working, you can even tell that, right? Okay, so one by one can just get yourself introduced. 1 minute will be enough, right? You won't take more than a minute. Yes. Come on, one of you can start.
Miss, good evening. My name is Latif. Hello.
Yes, yes.
My name is Abdul Latif. I'm working in Gan Regional Hospital in Lamatul. I have to be 20 years experience in my office administrative work plus the finance department. Till this is the first course I had to be done in any college. Till before I didn't done any course. I want to know so many information from this and this college. I want to know so many things. Just I had to be joined. Everyone should be give more help to us because we don't have that much for us. But I will try my best. Good luck
Yeah.
for all.
Thank you. That's really good. Okay, and thank you for taking the initiation. Yes, another one.
Yes, my name is Amjad. I'm working in MNDF. I'm from Lam, Gayan.
Okay. Have you done any studies before? Any other courses? Make sure you put your camera on. Okay?
I am Fatma Shara. I am from New Madhubari and working in Madhubari Council.
Yes.
Camera master camera on.
Okay, then you can just give your introduction.
Okay.
My name is Abida.
Mm.
I'm working here.
Yes.
Hello, Miss.
Yes.
My name is Ahmad. I'm from Mali. I'm working in police.
Okay. How long have you been working in police?
Yeah.
Yes, another one.
Yes,
Yeah.
my name is Muhammad Fazin. I'm working from Capital School Sports Supervisor.
Hello, Miss.
Who's? Yes.
Hello, Miss.
Can
you hear
yes,
me?
yes, I can hear you. I can hear you.
My name is Ahmed Faiz. You can call me Faiz. I'm working in MNDF. This is my first time taking part in online program. I'll try my best to complete this course. My aim is to broaden my knowledge in this field. I mean, leadership and management skill. Let's see. Thank you.
Hello.
Yes, I can hear.
Hello, Miss.
Yes, yes, I can hear.
My name is Adang Ahmad. I'm from Kurdufushi. I'm working in Maldives Police Service.
Majority is from police service, I guess.
Yeah.
Who's next?
Hello, Miss.
Hello.
Yes. I can hear.
Good evening.
Good evening. Yes.
My name is Adam Zaid. I'm from Shavini Lamago. I work in JW Marriott Resort and Spa as a villa attendant.
Yes. Who is next?
Hello.
Yes, yes, I can hear.
I'm from Taguraidu. My name is Haris Abdurazak. I'm working in Maldives Police Service now 7 years.
Okay. Good.
Hello.
Yes.
My name is Abdullah Suna. I'm working ITM. I'm from Tati Marfushi. I have done certificate in civil service.
Hello. Hello.
Yes. I can hear.
My name is Muhammad Ajmal. I work in Aviation Security Command. I am from Dal, Udahuvadu. Previously, I worked in M.Ed in 13 years. Now I work in Aviation Security Command, Dal Airport.
Yes. Yes, I can hear you.
Fazna, Miss, can you call name by name? I think it will be much better.
Oh, name by name. Okay.
Yeah. Otherwise, we are waiting for queue, I think. Whom to take initiative? We don't know.
So who haven't given the introduction now? I should. Yeah. Who is this? Sarah.
Yeah. My name is Sarah Ibrahim. I'm working in Health Protection Agency. I'm from Hadal, Makhlutu.
Yep.
Hello.
Yes. I can hear.
My name is Hadija Ibrahim. I am from Taboruni. I am working at Boruni Fenaka branch.
Hello,
Yes, I can hear.
I am Amina. I am working in MTCC. I am from Mali.
Who's next? Amina? Amina?
Yes,
Yep.
I am from Mali. My name is Amina. I am working in MTCC.
Yes,
Yes, I can hear.
my name is Abdul Ramiz. I'm from FIALI. I'm working in Fantasy Private Limited, the Assistant General Manager.
Miss,
Yes, I can hear Samia.
my name is Samia Muhammad Said. I am from Gafsarif Nilandu. I am working at MedLab Diagnostics Private Limited since 2014 as a senior admin officer.
Miss,
Yes.
I'm Sheba. I'm from Gafalif Viligiri. For 15 years, I worked at Gafalif Eto office. Now I am a member of WDC.
Yes. Ablo?
Arabic, the good.
Yes, who's next?
Miss,
Yes.
hello.
Yes, I can hear.
I am Hussein Hamid. I work in Maldives Police Service.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello, Miss.
Yes, I can hear
My
you.
name Abdul Zamir. I'm from Alavani Kurendu. I'm working Maldives Police Service. Thank you.
Hello, Miss.
Yes.
My
How
name
are
is
you?
Bilal. Fine. My
Okay.
name is Bilal Abdul Hadi. I am working Maldives Police Service.
Hello, Miss.
Yes.
My
Hello,
name
Miss.
is Mariam Naim.
Yes, Mariam.
I'm working at Gafalif Deputy Council Dara.
Tanu.
Hello, Miss.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, I can hear.
My name is Muhammad Shani. I'm from Hadif Keda. I'm from Hadif Keda. I'm working in Maldives Police Service. I have been working for 16 years. Thank you.
Hello,
Yes,
I'm Mazhana. I'm from Gafalif Devadu. I work in Sultan Muhammad School as administrative officer.
that's all. What's next? Sarah? Sarah? After Sarah, Ahmed can introduce. I can't hear.
Hello, miss.
Yes.
Are you talking to me?
Because your name is on the screen, I thought you were trying to give your introduction. Who else have not yet given your introduction? Is there anyone else who have not yet given?
Yes, miss me.
Okay, let's finish it.
Yeah. Hello. My name is Ismail
Yes.
Hassan and I'm working in Sony Hardware as operation executive. This is my first course I'm studying in online and I'm from Mali.
So is that all, or are there anyone else?
Yeah.
Yes, that's all. Okay, it's now 7:30. So if there's anyone else who have not yet given, so after we come from break, then we could continue, right? Okay, so we will be conducting the class from 7 to 11, right? As you know, on Thursdays and Wednesday and Saturday, we'll start at 7 o'clock till 11. We will continue, but in between, you're going to get a break from 8 to 9. Okay, but on Wednesday, not Wednesday, Thursday, we will be starting the class at 8. Okay, do you all have a book with you?
Yes.
You should have a book.
Yes.
Okay, so make sure you note these down. It is very important to have a book and a pen or a pencil to note down. And when we start the class, you should also have your calculators with you. Okay, if you don't have one, try to get a calculator from a friend or from your family member and be ready with the calculator, book, and the pen. Okay, so we're going to have class on which days? Wednesday, Thursday, and Saturday, right? Wednesday and Saturday class will start at 7. You'll get the break at 8 o'clock and we'll continue again at 9 till 11. On Thursday only we will be starting at 8. And you're not going to get the break because you are already getting a break from 7 to 8. Clear? Is that clear? Okay, so
Yes.
Thursday
Yes,
you'll be
miss.
starting on at what time? 8 o'clock. Okay.
8 o'clock.
So yes, Thursday, only Thursday, we will be starting at 8 o'clock. 8 to 11. You'll have the class from 8 to 11. Clear?
Clear.
Yeah. Okay, now let's start with the module guide 9.
It's not clear.
Can you see the slide?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Clear.
So introduction is done, right? Now the important things, make sure that you also note down on your book. Okay, so there are certain things which you also have to remember as a student. Now, as in every classroom, the most important thing is given to your punctuality and attendance, right? So make sure you attend the class on time and be ready with your materials like the calculator, books, and pens. Okay, and if you are asked to do any work like to look for some definitions or to try some question, please try to do that and then come to the class. Okay, if any homework is given, try to finish that on time. So punctuality is very important. Okay, and try not to miss any class, because if you miss anything, it's going to be a lot of work that you are missing. It's going to be difficult for you to catch up with. Clear? Emahuri ha ko timbes balam wan eves klahe cancel boko veto. Okay? Ama time klahang attend veto balam. Another important thing is respecting each other's view. Okay? Opinions and view, and try to be act like adults. Okay, and refrain from any distractions during the lesson. You should be ready for the lesson actually, right? If you have not sleep, get some sleep before the lesson, eat something and be ready, because you are going to be doing a lot of thinking and you're going to use a lot of energy even though you are sitting in front of the screen. So always be ready and be fresh for the class. And every time there won't be anyone, somebody will not be at the back of you encouraging you to communicate. It's you who have to encourage yourself. Okay, so if there's anything that you want to clarify, please do communicate. Okay, so a lot of problems can be solved by communicating. And show mutual respect, and also give room for listening to the others as well. task completion must be done on time. If there's any assignment or any classwork like tutorials assigned, and the other thing is tutorials will be uploaded on Sunday. Okay, on Sundays tutorials will be given to you, and before the due you should complete the work and upload it. Okay, so note that down. On Sundays you will be given the tutorials. And always be responsible for all your actions. Do not keep any work to complete later. And whenever you get time, please do practice, okay? Because math will be only, that's something that you will be thorough with, or you will be improving as you practice it more. Okay, so practice, practice, and practice so that you can remember the principles and the concept behind every topic. Once you know how to deal with the question, then it's going to be easy for you to do other questions related to that as well. Okay, now let's look at the learning outcomes of this module. Do you know the name of the module? The module code? Those are also important things that will come. Make sure you note it down as well, okay? Now the learning outcomes of this module is mainly it's to develop the insight into the meaning of mathematics, to make you aware of the scope, nature, and objectives of mathematical education, okay? And also appreciate mathematics in your daily life. Now, I have seen a lot of even younger, starting from younger age, many students hate maths. Have you noticed that? Okay?
Yes.
They don't actually realize that they are using math in their daily life as well, right? Even if they have to learn the multiplication table, they will say, we have calculators, we have phone with us. What's the use of learning it? Isn't it? But in mathematics, we are actually learning logical thinking, okay? Even though if we by heart, the process will be a little bit faster to do the calculations, okay? So that's what is important here. And learn the importance of mathematics and the mechanical procedures, the formulas and the procedures, okay? And also this is enabling you to reconstruct your thinking, okay? To reconstructing means like rearranging something in a better way. And see something as something to talk about, okay? Not just to keep, math is not something that you have to keep inside the drawer and to lock it. It is something to communicate, discuss, and work through with, so that we come up with better findings, better technologies, better outcomes with it, okay? And also to practice and do the research calculations with it. With the research calculations, you will be able to find out the benefits of it, the importance of this, and also where the problems are arising, right? Okay, so this is the informations that you have to know about the module. The science of business mathematics is the title. Reference number is UPP 0003. When you have to fill the assignment forms or the exam papers, these things will be very useful, right? You should by heart these by now. UPP 0003, unit reference number. Okay, so we will be complete in 50 hours by the end of the module. And the credit point you'll be getting is 10 for this module. Okay. We will be doing basically four main units, okay, under which there are subunits. First unit will be the nature and scope of mathematics. We'll just have a look at what kind of things that are, like the terms, the important terms and the theories, the terminologies that are used in the building up of mathematics, and the scope of mathematics, how big this field is, where the mathematics have been integrated to, okay? And the second unit is about the basic calculations, starting from the simple ones to the difficult ones that we have been using, okay? So just a bit of refreshing calculations topics will be there. Then the third unit will be introduction to accounting. And the last one is the treatment of data, okay? A bit of statistical works will be in that. So in the first unit, nature and scope of mathematics, we will be looking at some of the meanings of the building blocks of mathematics, like axiom, propositions, postulates, quantifiers, okay? So you will be able to know what these terms are and how they are related to mathematics. The second section will be the nature and scope of mathematics. So as I said before, how the logical reasoning, the problem solving, and how all these things are related in various fields that are integrated with mathematics, okay? I don't think there will be any field where mathematics is not used, right? Some sort of mathematics will be used in each and every field. A mathematical theorem and its invariants, okay, so the inverse, converse, proof, there are a lot of mathematical problems you would have done even at school level where you have to give the proofings, right? Whether it's true or false, whether the theory is correct or not. Okay, so those kind of things will be here. And the last part will be about the history of mathematics. Okay, just we'll have a look at a bit of history of mathematics in business and academic related section. The second unit is about basic calculation, as I said before. So in the first part, we will be looking at the numbers, okay? Like the prime numbers, integers, square numbers, LCM, HCF, cube numbers, square roots. You're familiar with these things, right? So once we try these, it's going to freshen up. Okay, so the ratio and proportion, percentage, interest. So all these topics we will do. And the second part will be our favorite, algebra. Okay, so starting from the simple ones to a little bit logical thinking ones, we will try under algebra. Okay, the different types of equations will be also there. Third part is the measurements, point, line, varying angles, the perpendicular lines, congruency, quadrilaterals, and these different types of shapes, the symmetry, asymmetry, and the mass, length, volume, capacity, okay? and some of the calculations related to all these things. And fourth part under the second unit is the probability and statistical basic part. Okay, just the basic calculations under that, like mean, mode, median, and range. In the third unit, that's related to the accounting part. Here, most of the accounting terms, the financial accounting terms, and how they are used. Okay, their implications in the accounting systems will be learned. The double entry accounting system, the accounting process, types of account, primary, secondary records, preparations of journals, preparations of trial balance, and error disclosed, suspense account, accounting equation, accounting standards. Okay, so financial reporting standards. So these things will be looked into in this unit. The last one is about treatment of data. Treatment of data. Here, classification of data, types of quantified data, tabulation of data, and the things that we basically do with the collected data. Okay, statistically what we do with the descriptive or the quantitative data, like measuring the variability and correlations and these things. The significance of measures, inferential statistics, and the next part will be the different types of tests that are done in under statistics, like the chi-square test, t-test, u-tests. Okay, so we'll just have a look at, and you will be able to understand the differences between them. And the parametric methods of t-test and f-tests, elementary idea of normal probability curve, its properties, its uses as well. Okay, so these are the three, basically it's the three topics, right? The first one is about the terminologies and a little bit of readings that you have to do. Okay, in the unit 1 you have to do more of reading and research work. In the unit 2, unit 3, and unit 4, here the calculation parts are involved. Okay, so you will need the calculators definitely in these when we do this section. Do you have any question up to here?
So far, no question.
And anything that you want to clarify that you did not understand? No. So there are 4 units, okay? At least that much you should know, right? You will be doing 4 units. Nature and scope of mathematics, basic calculations, introduction to accounting, and treatment of data. Just make a note of this. So even now on, you should be opening your math textbooks, look up the internet, and start reading and watch the videos and stuff. There are now very good YouTube videos, isn't it? Like the math antics. Have you watched any video from math antics? M-A-T-H-A-N-T-I-C, math antics. It's very interesting explanations are given there. Okay, so it's a good thing to just to refresh the basic part that you have done long time ago. It's a good time. It's a positive, I think it's going to bring a very positive effect on you. So just to refresh your mind. Okay, so try to read and watch the videos and try to find out about these topics as well. Now coming to the assessment part. The module will be out of 100, right? Out of 100, the written examination will carry 55%. Okay? So for exam, it's going to be 55%.
Can you repeat the ANT ends?
What is it? It wasn't clear. What was the question? Examination part will carry 55%. Okay, and the in-class part will carry 45%. Now, within the classroom work, there are 4 main parts, okay, that you should be concentrating in. You will be doing an individual assignment. Write this down. Individual assignment, group assignment.
Koba, Miss Koba.
පුතින් audio on කරගන්න නොතිබේ නේද? audio off කළාම මිස් ඩිස්කනෙක්ට් එකෙන් මිස් කෙල්ලුනේ. ඊයේ දැන් ටෙක්නිකල් මෙකානිකම් කරන් දාන්න මිස් එක try කරේ join කරලා. okay. Then couldn't full name Oriha couldn't give us full name try kolla change kolla me ar Sara ini Sara गिन्ना ताली तुरंग दो एकाड कंकन वाने बाटा full name बाटा जैसा easy वाने me ar Sujaw ini Sujaw jala Ramzi का full name ये यहाँ दे बोले ची विकार रानी में बाकी कुछ जगह बोना जाए चन्नो मिले कुछ इनकारी बोले जाने Amina ini Amina ikan ini ada ham full name ekor rangalang istam kolla.
Hello, Miss. එහෙම break up හෝ දෙත්තෝ දැන් බද්දගානේ.
Ma kudin dem Fashani 9 ye हम same linking आरन Fashani then break up में दिने हम 8:55 गाहर में start करानी में 7:55 हुई okay.
Okay, thank you.
So 8:55 को उरिया को दिन हम लिंकिंग join करना है तिबे मानेंगे okay.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Is everyone here? Sorry, I got disconnected, okay, at that time. And it took some time to connect again.
It's early better.
Yes. Even. Can I start? Just read the slides, all of you. This is the